Look at that!
It is so pretty!
Ho, ho, ho! From what I can see, you found my SuperTruck trophy. And you know, I have to admit to you that it's very difficult to obtain.
With you as coach, I'm sure we can do it just like you did!
Yeah, just tell us what to do, Grandpa.
Ha 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 ha! Seeing as you're so sure of yourselves, everyone to truck control for some helpful explanations.
Yahoo!
My dear MiniTrucks, in order to win the SuperTruck trophy, you will have to pass a course with multiple tests. Each one more extreme than the previous one before it.
Oh my gosh, it sounds like it's gonna be really hard.
Yes, you're absolutely right, Alex. You will have only 10 minutes to finish the entire course. You will be wearing helmets along with the booster units, so you can go as fast as you're able to. I am programming the launch pad. Best of luck, MiniTrucks! Four, three, two, one. MiniTrucks, go!
Wow!
When Grandpa Ted said it would be difficult, I actually didn't imagine this.
Hold on there. Does it remind you of something?
Why, yes, of course! And not just happy memories!
We haven't won this course yet.
Come on! I'm sure that we can do it!
Yes, we've already had to overcome some major challenges, and even when it was hard, we always made it through.
Yeah, you're right. Now let's go!
MiniTrucks, go! Woohoo!
Jeremy, don't you think that it's more pleasant to glide past cacti than actually go through it?
What?
First step in becoming a SuperTruck is to pass with flying colors.
Great!
Lisa, shall we go over the bridge together? Yes! Watch us then and do as we do! 1, 2, 3, and jump! 1, 2, 3, and jump! Yahoo! That means it's your turn now!
We're on our way.
1, 2, 3, and jump!
1, 2, 3, and jump!
Yahoo!
And now there is one more test.
It's the ramp of the obstacle course! I don't have a good memory of this one.
Now don't be scared, Lisa. We're going to all do it together. And remember, we just have to make one figure each.
Yeah!
Woohoo! Yay! Yeah!
Yeah! That was sick.
Woohoo! Are we almost there? Only 2 more. Yeah!
Come on! It's time for the last test! Fire your boosters at a speed that is maximum!
Yeah!
Woohoo!
Wow!
We made it!
In 9 minutes, bravo, brave MiniTrucks! Ha ha! You were fantastic today, everyone! Because of your teamwork, you are now true champions! No challenge will ever be too difficult for any of you, and the big SuperTruck trophy now most definitely belongs to you!
Hooray! Thank you, Grandpa Ted!
We truly deserved this one today.
Oh, we sure did!
We're so awesome!